This is your host Noor Ali, right tools for right job. This here, what you see, is majority of it covered in Network Plus. Part of it also in Server Plus. You may find part in A Plus, depending on the questions, depending on the scenario. But this is what the network guys support. This is what the field engineers support in the IT. Layer 2 switches, routers, bridges, firewalls, hubs, multi-layer switches, modems, and repeaters. And let me show you something. So here is the extender system and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 4. Okay, disconnected. It has its own MAC address. It's got its own IP. It's not connected. I'm not going to use it. This is for test purpose only. So don't bother to connect to this one if you want to hack into it. No worries here. Anyway. So this is a mini device. Technology is changing. And this, what you see over here, is what you're going to see in your certifications. This is what you support as a network engineer, network technician, computer technician, field engineer, and desktop guys. This is your host Noor Ali, right tools for right job.